This video will demonstrate how to install DURALAST Detectable warning plates. Multiple plates can be combined to fit the length needed for your application and are available in the standard bolting design or the I-LOK interlocking design. If using more than one standard plate, tighten together with stainless steel bolts. If using the I-LOK interlocking plates, stand plates up vertically and connect by inserting the hook ends into the handle at a 45-degree angle. Set connected cast iron plates into wet concrete in accordance with AASHTO M333-16 and ADA standards. Tamp plates thoroughly with a rubber mallet until concrete seeps through the vent holes. Clean off the excess concrete from the plates. Then, finish the surrounding concrete. DURALAST Detectable warning plates are engineered to outlast the sidewalk, are made in the USA, and are backed with a 10-year limited warranty.